What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's episode is gonna be on the Z, and I messed up. So the car's parked right now. We actually have a tow truck on the way. We're gonna take it to the mechanic. We're gonna do a bunch of other stuff, but the main reason the car is parked is so basically my business partner bought me for my birthday spacers. The rear has spacers, so they sit flush, the front don't. So then he bought me spacers. He's the black Genesis. I got excited, we all got excited, we started putting it on the car, we forced it in. Why is it still shaky? We started forcing it in, the bolts still loose. And I was like, oh wait, Nathan, what bolt pattern is the Genesis? He goes, 1.5. I was like, oh dang, this is 1.25. So basically we threaded all the lugs. So we haven't moved the car since, and it's in a has a little camber to it. So while waiting for that, we decided, it's kind of speeding. While waiting for that, we decided, let's just change the brakes and rotors. Let's just change the inner outer tie rods, the rack and pinion, the front brace that we needed to change. So we did all that at once. We're gonna do that all at once. And what else? Rack and pinion, yeah, and a bunch of little other sensors. But basically, this whole part is gonna get done. We're waiting for the tow truck to come to pick up the Z. Tell him to bring a dolly so we don't move the wheel. I don't want to risk damaging the rays. Yeah, so basically all this happened because of spacers. Make sure you know your thread size before you thread them on. All right, so the car is here. So I had gotten rotors for it, but I got the wrong size since these are Brembos, so we need to change it to the Brembos. We ended up taking the bottom brace, that was bad, and the rack and pinion. So this is the rack and pinion. This is the brace that goes on there, I guess, to support it. It was already done. I already knew that was gonna happen. I had gotten a new one. Guy had sold it to me for about 20 bucks, so it's a good price, good deal. Bumper was able to come out really easy. So then we ended up putting the new rotor already. Oh no, not the new rotor, the new what's this thing called? I have it over there. Wheel bearing, there we go, wheel bearing. So then now the car is running good. We're just taking out now the rack and pinion. We're gonna do a little sensor up here, another sensor over there. The other brace that we need to change is back there. We're gonna change it another time because we don't have enough time now. And links. Wheels and tires will go back on, and the car should be ready to roll again. Can't wait, I miss this car driving. But so yeah, there's a new one we ended up getting. The wheel bearing, the oil gasket, sensors, OEM Nissan to Z1. We ended up getting from Z1. Oh, okay. Another, what is this? The neutral safety switch from Nissan as well. These are the outer tie rods along with the new rack and pinion. So, and then this is the brace that I gotten also from the same guy that I got the other brace from. I got it cheap, so we'll replace that. I'm thinking of changing out the Borla. Probably straight piping the car, I don't know yet. We gotta see how that comes out. But yeah, we spent most of the morning trying to get the car towed. It was very difficult with that wheel bearing messed up. the car couldn't roll. But we're almost done fixing it. I hope to track this car, drift it, track it pretty soon. So I want to get this stuff fixed. It just got sped up with me breaking the wheel studs. So make sure you check the sizes before you actually put in spacers. Once again, guys, I'm here in Gramenzi. These are my guys. I always come here for everything mechanically wise that I can't do myself. And pretty soon the car, I have to get new, that's right, I have to get new rotors. I have to get the new rotors for the back and the front. I don't know about the back, actually the back might be good, but I get new rotors for the back and the front. And we should be good mechanically wise. Except for the levelers, we gotta do the levelers. But yeah, I'll show you guys once it gets done. We're heading over now. Car's on the tow truck. I'm following it to the shop. And let's get all this work done. And we're back. Okay, so where do we start? So we ended up getting new front wheel spacers for the front, new ones for the back, new lug nuts all around. We installed new drilled slotted rotors and new pads on front and back. They look freaking amazing. Stuff that you can't really see will be the front rack and pinion, new lower pan, new upper oil pan, new tie end rods, all that good stuff. Fresh oil change, new seals all around. What else? Oh, new hub bearings on the other side that got damaged and whatnot. So we'll go from there to the back. We didn't really do anything to it. Mind you, that sticker there, I'll explain in another video. But not sticker, tape. I'll show you guys that in another video. What else? Bunch of sensors. Oil pressure sensor got fixed. We have the brake switch sensor got fixed. We got a lot of stuff done to the car. As you guys saw also in the video, we got new tires mounted on the rims. Pretty much a lot of mechanical work got done to the car. Everything mechanically wrong with the car got fixed, with a few exceptions. What's one of them? Oh, the gas gauge. So there's two little levers on the fuel pump on both sides that has to be replaced. What else? I think that's it. Oh, and the e-brake. I had to go back for that, but the e-brake, basically the previous owner took off everything from the driver's rear, everything that had to do with e-brake. I don't know why they did that. Maybe because of the wheel to diff. Maybe that causes an issue with the wheel to diff, but they took it out. That's about it. Everything else will be purely cosmetic. The car drives great. It got alignment also. The car drives wonderful. I'm really happy. Put a lot of money into it, but it's worth it. And yeah. All right, guys, thank you for following me through this little journey with the Z. It's been a learning experience, at least to say. We have now all the nice modifications coming our way. Thinking about power, the looks of the car, interior. This will go away soon. So let's see. And I hope you guys follow along for this whole journey of the Z. We have a lot of stuff in store for the Z. Once again, guys, thank you for all the support. On to the next one.